How to fix Tinder account under review? Well, if your account is under review, there's nothing you can do from inside Tinder. The only thing you can do is report it. So for that, just open up your browser, and on your browser, just search for Tinder problem report. And then click on the first option, which will take you to Tinder's contact us page. From here, you can see the contact us in blue highlighted color. Click on it. And from inside this page, what you can do is click on this little drop down menu and choose trouble with account login. And over here at the bottom, just click on another drop down. And over here, you just want to choose other issue with login and scroll down, and over here, enter your email and then your phone number, whichever email and phone number you have linked with your Tinder, use that, okay? And over here, just enter your problem. My account is under review even if I have done nothing. Can you help me fix it? Or tell me why my account is under review and when can I get it back? So after you write that, you can click and submit. And once you do that, just wait for 2 or 3 days. They are going to reply to you on whatever email and phone number you entered over here to help recover your Tinder account. Okay, this is the only way to fix this issue. There's nothing else you can do, because if you try to do something from inside Tinder, you can't, because your account is under review, so you can't even log in and use it. So hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.